Hi there, welcome into my channel. My name is Laurel with the Curated Caravan, and it's time for another unboxing. We're on box 9 of 16. I've looked in 6 of them. I've got one more that I haven't even peeked in. This is, like I said, box number 9 is coming from Los Angeles, not from Costa Mesa. And it's interesting, most of the boxes this time around have come all from Southern California. Seems like before when I got them, they were like, Chicago, different parts of the country at least. But these have all been California boxes. So this one is a 36-pound box. If this is your first time here, the story is I bought a bunch of unopened boxes from the Crossroads Outlet. Crossroads Outlet gets all their inventory from other Crossroads stuff that did not sell for them. They take it as a write-off and they send it to the outlet. And then whenever they get completely overloaded with inventory that they can't handle in the store, they will do a sale. And it is just a flash sale. They give you about an hour beforehand and will announce on their Instagram that the sale is going on. Usually there is you can usually buy like 5 at a time or, whatever it happens to be. This was a day where there weren't that many people that showed up. So I was able to get 16 boxes total. So I have held off and not looked in any of them, except for those 6 that my mom bought. So I'm on number 9 of 10, unopened. I'm going to open it with you today, and we will see what we find. And then I'm going to do at the end, we'll do a little ranking of what I think was the best item of the box and which was the worst. So that'll be there at the end. So let's open it up and see what we have. So like I said, 35 pounds, which is pretty heavy. Last box was full mostly of jeans, so that made it really heavy. And on top of this, the top of this one, also jeans. And it looks like bottoms. So as usual, I always start off a little bit disappointed. I don't know what would make me really excited to see on the top, but usually not jeans. These are some bongo jeans. New Dress Q. Anyone ever heard of Dress Q? Dress Q. So I don't know. These are a vintage Y2K is what it says on the tag. Dress Q Atwater. Oh, Dress Q. I bet that's a thrift store. That's what I'm thinking. Dress Q. I don't know. Anyway, pair of bongo jeans, size 11. Yeah, so I can do the, Y2K vintage. They're in good shape, and they're a junior's size. So we'll see. Okay, some black pants. These look very expensive. The label looks expensive. Oh, they are stirrup pants. If you are not as old as I am, you probably have never worn these, but as a Gen X girl, of course we wore stirrup pants all through high school. So these are a pair of black stirrup pants. The brand is called Baum und Pfeffergarten. So there must be a German brand here. Made in Turkey. They're an extra small. They've got like seaming down the front. Yeah, so we'll see if anyone's interested in a pair of stirrup pants in 2024. I think they tried to come back a little bit, didn't they, a while back? By the way, I've got on my most comfortable sweater. I love this sweater. I don't wear it out because it looks like it was washed with a Kleenex. It's got like all these little speckles all over it, so it looks like I just, it needs to be like lint rolled or something, but it is cashmere and it's just so comfortable. I love it. So I'm being extra comfy today. Next up, Legence, which I love. I like this brand. It doesn't sell as well anymore as it used to, and they're skinny jeans. A pair of black skinny jeans, size 28. All right. At least good, you know, that's a good brand. What is this? Okay, a pair of Good American jeans. I got Good American jeans in my last box. Usually sell for me. These look really, really short. Size 6 to 12. I don't know exactly what that means. I'm not really familiar with the Good American sizing. And does it have a style? Not here. I'll probably have to look up the style number and all that. So not really sure. 6 to 12. Are these kids' jeans? Maybe is that why they look? No, they look like a woman's jean. Okay, they're a stretchy high-rise, and they look like a petite, maybe a petite jean. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up stuff when I get ready to list those. I'm currently about one box behind. Well, I should say I'm more than that behind. I've got drafts of the last box and then the box before that. Okay, so one box I've got drafts of, one box I need to photograph, and then I'm gonna work on, this will be the next one. Okay, we've got a tie. Trying to think if I'm missing any ties in my other boxes. No, I am still missing one boot, and I've got like the inner lining of a dress, but no outer lining. So I'm still, keeping a hold of those and hoping that they show up. It's a box full of pants. Rag & Bone jeans. They are a bright, bright fluorescent pink. Gonna be a tough one to sell. Rag & Bone legging. Got a weird tag here on the inside. What is this? I don't know. They're size 27 and fluorescent pink. Okay, but at least it's a good brand. Well, we've got some Joe's jeans, white. They are a little bit of a flare white jean. Looks like a high rise. So that's not bad. The Molly high rise flare. Okay. And what size are they? They look, sorry, I'm going to be sniffing again. They're size 25, but the allergies are still here. Okay, white jeans. Now we've got some black jeans. They didn't even fold stuff in this bag. It is just thrown in there. These are from Riders by Lee. Riders by Lee. Again, though, so I don't even know if I mentioned how much I paid for these boxes. So I paid $34 each. So I am not out, and I've well paid already for my boxes and what I have listed so far. So really the rest is just profit, which is fantastic. So these are a pair of black jeans from Riders. Size 8P. Just a basic pair of jeans. I don't know if I've ever sold a pair of Lee jeans. I do not pick them up when I thrift. So, maybe it's an untapped category for me. These are Loft jeans, white, size, the slim pockets, high waist flare crop, and size 28 or a 6. All right, so they're pretty cute. Those are cute. Loft isn't going to bring in much, but they're cute style. And, if they don't sell, maybe this coming summer, if they're not sold, I can wear those. Levi's Bold Curve. I've never seen this tag before. Never sold this brand, or I've sold Levi's, of course, but bold curve, not sure about that. They're a size 7, so a junior size. They look vintage to me. Vintage, Y2K, low rise, and like a flare bottom. Okay. More, a whole box of jeans. I hate when the box is all the same thing. Okay, J brand jeans, skinnies, size 4. Starless is the style, in a size 27. They're a dark wash skinny. I think people always are going to be wearing a dark wash skinny, don't you think? That's what I'm hoping for. All right. Next up is more J brand jeans. These are black jeans. The style, the deal skinny leg, in a size 28. Black jeans, not too faded. And they've got a zip hem. Wow, a pretty high zip hem. Oh my goodness, it's all jeans. Ugh, guess who's gonna be having a big sale on jeans? Me. Oh, here's one thing that I have observed lately. Sometimes I'll think, I'm just gonna have I just did a big 40% off sale. Surely I will get some sales. I'm talking eBay. So I ran a 40% sale. I had lots of likes and I had lots of offers. And you would think when something's 40% off, you know, that's a good deal. And you would just take that price. But no, I swear I got so many offers doing 40% for like $1, for $5, for ridiculous prices. So I decided for me, for right now, that a 40% sale, it's not for me. I'm doing a 20% sale off my entire inventory on eBay. And then I'm sending offers on ones that are liked. I'm sending additional 20. So, you know, you're getting a 40% discount on the total, and I'm getting much more reasonable offers, which is crazy. It's really weird that the bigger the discount, the more people want more of a discount. But come on, $1, really? Oh, it makes me so mad. But anyway, that's what I learned this week. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. It is called Jajane the Moment. Jajane the Moment. I'm hoping that is focusing on the jeans. They are a crop jean, high rise. Looks like they were probably expensive. Okay, it's got a little logo on the inside. Say anything where they're from? Lots of Asian, maybe a Japanese brand. Not sure. Jajane the Moment, and they're just a size small. So I always do measurements, but especially if they are just listed as a small. Those are cute jeans though. Those are cute. I bet they're cute on. So a new brand to do research on. Okay, we've got more colored jeans. These are long too. A red jean from Zara in a size 4. Size 4, they're like heavy duty, feel like 100% cotton to me, and they've got a button fly. Size 4. Where's the huge tag? Must be torn out. Okay, so a pair of red jeans with a straight leg. Are people wearing colored jeans anymore? It doesn't seem like they are. So these hot pink red jeans, probably gonna sit on those for a while. I am a person that doesn't mind having inventory that's there for a while. Actually, I'm gonna do another video probably for this weekend on things this last month that have taken like over a year, some 2 years to sell. But you know what? I still made a profit on them, so I'm happy about that. Oh, okay, some Reformation jeans. I've never found Reformation jeans, so that's nice. They have got an exposed button fly and size 27. Cute, very cute. Kind of a slim leg. Okay, nice. At least most of these have been nice brands. So those are nice. Okay, more jeans. More jeans from ASOS. A 28 petite. Don't know the style. They are a full, probably boot cut and a high-rise boot cut jean. And a lighter wash. Okay, not super excited about that. We've got, we got a pair of shorts, a little different. They are new with tags, slate and stone, 7-inch cotton Ross shorts. Oh, these are men's, so they're men's shorts. Well, that's good. I have a little more room in my men's side than I do in my women's. So at least I think I'll have room to put those away. And back to jeans, more jeans. These are cut from the cloth. Yes, size 10s. And let's look at the style. They are a straight leg mid-rise with a flat pocket. Did I say the size? Yeah, size 10. Dark wash. Jeans. Oh, well, if you were looking for variety today, we're not getting it. Okay, this looks like maybe the last pair of jeans in this box, hopefully. APC Jean Droy, size 32 men's jeans. Oh no, they are women's jeans, is according to them. And they are a purple wash jean. I'm gonna have to look these up to see if these are men's or women's. Because usually with a size 32, that would be a men's jean. APC. Have I sold that before? Sometimes when they're initials like that, they kind of all run together. And they've got a raw hem. To me, yeah, you don't see a lot of men's jeans with a raw hem, but so I don't know about that. Okay, now at least we have a little bit something different. Oh, a Lulu's white dress, lace dress. It is backless, mini, and new with tags. Lulu's does reasonably well for me. Of course, depending on the piece, but it's a decent seller. I'll pick them up if they're cheap. And this box looks to me probably going to be about $1. I think we'll have more than 34. Not sure. Maybe. We've got a sweatshirt from Broken Promises. Los Angeles. There's the brand tag. I don't know. You know that brand? I don't know that brand. There is the front with a butterfly. It says men's, so it's a men's hoodie sweatshirt. All right. Something brown. Is it a dress? Lovers and Friends mini dress. There are so many that I have to sew the label tag back on. This is one. Lovers and Friends. Another brand that used to do a lot better. Mini dress with like, I'm gonna have to, hopefully I can find a picture. Is it supposed to go like that? Or no, I think it's supposed to, I think it wraps around and then ties. Okay. It's like a camel tan color. Something plaid. Oh, it is a dress. So it is a plaid dress, new with tags, and the tag, Designers Remix, Charlotte Eskildsen. Don't know. I love these because look at all that we're learning. All these brands that I've never seen before. Maybe they're not new to you, but I've been reselling for over 12 years and I still find new things every time I go through one of these boxes. All right. Next, we've got another hoodie. Okay, this is APC also. I think I have sold APC. That now it's starting to look a little more familiar. It is a black hoodie. APC LA. And that's it. It's a basic black hoodie. It's nice though. They wanted $32 for it. So it must be higher end. Oh, come on, Aviator Nation. It's not. It's another hoodie, but it is Saturday's New York City men's sweatshirt. It says Saturday's New York City on the front. And it's beige with orange writing. Kind of heavyweight hoodie. Oh, let's see the other side. There we go. Okay, that's a nice sweatshirt. Okay, we're almost at the end. What is this? A beanie, new with tags, with Russian writing. Rasvet Niza Gorami. Don't know what that means. Woolen acrylic, and there is what it looks like. Rasvet. Rasvet is what that says in Russian, but I don't know what that means. Rasvet. Is that the brand? Yeah, Rasvet. I don't know. Don't know anything about it, but there it is. Oh, we've got another beanie. Who is making this one? Men's hat, round to beige. It is 100% cashmere. Oh, read it. Read the whole thing. 100% cashmere-like acrylic. And that is what it is. And yeah, no branding. Cashmere-like acrylic. I got some more cats in there too. Come on, good brand. Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters, black maxi. What do you call that? A maxi? Midi maxi. Velvet. Pretty. It's very pretty. It's got a side slit and a drapey neckline and like a burnout velvet floral design, and it's lined. More jeans from Ksubi, K-S-U-B-I. Look like maybe they're Japanese. Oh no, they're made in Australia. Made in Australia, size 11. Dark wash jeans with some decoration on the back, and I saw something else too. What else did I see? Oh yeah, another spot. Maybe that's the brand logo. I don't know, because I don't know this brand. They've got small zippers at the hems. How much did they want? They wanted $32. So probably an expensive jean. Oh, we've got hats. We've got a bunch more hats. Okay, who makes this one? Engineered Garments, New York. Oh, this was expensive. $32 they wanted for this hat. It is like a floral multicolor. And like I said, made in USA. Lots of Japanese writing. Engineered Garments, New York. What? Okay, my face is in there. Is that what's happening? Right. That hat. We've got this one that is Weekend. Men's teal hat. And a Pendleton wool hat. Okay, that's with a big hole. Big hole. I can usually stitch that up so it won't be as noticeable and disclose that it's repaired. And then another tan one that is TNA. And it looks like that. I should get these listed right away. And another one of these Luca. Is it Luca? Yeah, another Luca straw purse in a different color. So far, no action on these purses. But you know what? It's coming up to when people start taking their winter vacations. So maybe they will get some action. This is Mr. P. They wanted $37 for it at Crossroads. So I'm guessing it must be a good brand. It feels nice. It feels like a nice brand. And what does the tag say? Anything? Mr. P, 100% cotton, made in Portugal. Okay, and that is it. That's it for our box. So, it's really hard for me to pick out what I would say would be the best find in the box. I'm thinking probably this sweatshirt looks really good and feels really good. And sometimes menswear is good. Or let's see, maybe the beige sweatshirt. This one, maybe this one's good, or the APC. Okay, those are good. I'm thinking the men's stuff is my better stuff than the jeans, because there's a lot of jeans in this box. Of the jeans, let's see, which one would I say? Which I would like to hear in your comments too, what you think was the best. What was the best pick from this box? The worst, I'm gonna say probably, what were those little short jeans? No, those are good. The Reformation's good. Oh, how about the red Zara jeans? Those would probably be my least favorite of this box. Probably, I say they won't sell, but you just never know. They might sell. And then my best, I would say, is that's going to be my predictions. My best is that hoodie, or not hoodie, the gray sweatshirt. Worst is the Zara. So those are my best and worst of this mediocre, primarily 75%, I would say, jean box. So we just never know what you're gonna get. And I've got one more mystery to go. And then the other 6 are still kind of a mystery, because I kind of only went through the top of a couple of them because they were men's. And it's been a while, so I don't remember exactly what's in those other boxes. So it will be fun to go through those too. But I like the complete mystery ones. That's the best, most fun for me to do. But okay, so that is it for me from my unboxing. And I will see you next time with the oldest listings that sold this past month in November. And then the ones that sold the quickest too. So that's always good too, to see which ones are selling really fast. So thanks for joining me this time. I'm gonna try to get these out as often as I can, and I'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.